everyone, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor, and today we're going to be talking about a supplement that quietly does the most behind the scenes, and that's L-Glutamine. You've probably heard it tossed around in the gym world, but this amino acid does way more than just help bodybuilders. So let's break down 3 things that L-Glutamine actually helps with, and a bonus reason at the end. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1 is for leaky gut and IBS. L-Glutamine is essential for gut healing. It's the main fuel source of your intestinal cells, the ones that line your small intestine. So when your lining is inflamed or damaged from antibiotics, poor diet, food sensitivities, then this supplement really helps to repair that gut lining. That's why it can be so useful for those dealing with IBS, leaky gut, post-antibiotics, or bloating. The second reason is muscle recovery and soreness. This is really where L-Glutamine gets its fame. During intense workouts, your muscles burn through glutamine stores, so supplementing with it can actually help in your recovery. But since it helps with protein synthesis in general, it's not just for those people that go to the gym. It also helps for recovery in general, so recovery from illness or if you're just physically depleted. You can think of it like your body's recovery sponge. Without it, it's much more difficult to recover. Number 3 is sugar cravings, and this one surprises a lot of people. So when your body's stressed, your blood sugar starts to drop, and that makes you crave sugar. But L-Glutamine steps in as sort of a stabilizer. It can act as a fuel source for your brain during sugar crashes and help to regulate your appetite. This supplement can be super helpful for those doing a gut healing protocol, or for those that are trying to come off of super processed foods. So now here's a little bonus. A patient started taking L-Glutamine for their gut support, but they noticed that their brain fog disappeared. This is because improving the gut integrity helped to reduce inflammation and improve overall mental clarity. There's the gut-brain axis in action. Now, if you're wondering about dosing, the typical dose is 5 grams a day in water. And for gut healing, you take it on an empty stomach, but for muscle recovery, you can take it after your workouts. It's tasteless, it mixes easily, and it can be paired with other supplements like collagen or electrolytes. So now you know L-Glutamine helps to repair your gut lining, it helps to reduce inflammation, improve mental clarity, and helps you recover faster. So let me know in the comments, have you tried L-Glutamine before, and have you noticed the difference? And if you learned something new in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.